Picmaker is a do-it-yourself graphic design software that allows you to create awesome designs in minutes. With more than 10,000 unique templates, you can create designs without a prior knowledge in graphic design. In this video, I'm sharing an in-depth Picmaker tutorial and you'll learn everything you need to know to start designing on your own. Head to picmaker.com and click on sign up. Use your credentials to create an account. If you already have an account, log in to Picmaker. Once you sign in, this is where you'll be coming in. We are on the dashboard right now. One of the most important parts is the search bar. It is the quickest way to find any templates with different dimensions for specific design. Once you click on the search bar, it suggests you different design categories that are available in Picmaker with the dimensions. So you don't have to worry about the size of your design. For example, if I want to create an Instagram post, I'll just type Instagram and it's already suggesting Instagram post and Instagram story. This is how you can quickly brush through what we offer, and it's a great way to find it without scrolling forever. First off, you've got the create button in the sidebar. Whether you want to use it for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or you want to design a logo, poster or flyer, it doesn't really matter. We offer thousands of design templates free to use as well. Once you choose your category, you can start from a blank page or you can pick from pre-designed templates. Aside from this create button and the search bar, you can also start your design from this particular section. Design categories in the create button as well as in the search bar are also available in this section. All you need to do is just pick your category and start designing. Under My Designs in the sidebar, you can see all your designs at a glance. Sometimes you want to refer or change your previous design. So this is where you want to go straight away after opening Picmaker. Folders help you to stay organized. Create a new folder by clicking on this plus icon. Give it a name and click on Create. You can drag and drop your designs into the folders. You can move it to another folder, rename it or delete it. You can also share this folder to your team by keying in their email ID. Folders functionality is available for the paid users. You can also quickly access your recent projects from here in the dashboard. We are on the Workspace right now. You can share your design by clicking on the Shared button. Key in their email ID or copy the edit link or view link and send it to them. If your team shared a design with you, it will show up in the Shared with Me section of the dashboard. If you have a brand and you want to stay consistent in branding, this is the only feature you want. The brand kit is a functionality that is only available for the paid users. You can upload your logos, have different color palettes, and pick your brand font for heading, subheading, and body text, so that they'll be readily available while you design. You can also save your design as a brand template. Let me show you how. Our design is here. To save this design as a template, click on File menu at the top. Hit Save as Template. Once you're done, it will be added under Templates in the sidebar and it will also show up under Brand Kit in the dashboard. Under My Workspace in the dashboard, you'll be inviting your team and assign roles. With that, Picmaker allows you to collaborate with your team. You can also have multiple workspaces and switch it through here. In dashboard, we have our most popular design categories like YouTube thumbnails, logos, blog banner, Instagram post, YouTube channel art and all that. You can explore all the templates in a specific design category by clicking on the See All button. To access our dedicated templates page, click on Templates at the top. In this page, you can browse through thousands and thousands of templates. You can filter the templates. Let's say you want to create a YouTube thumbnail. Just click on this filter and choose a template that interests you. You can also make use of the search bar just like the one in the dashboard. Once you find a template that interests you, just click on it. It will take you to the workspace. Just like dashboard, I'll break it down for you how the workspace works. Our template is here. As you can see, all these elements are completely customizable. Let's say you want to change the text, replace this image with yours, or you want to change the background, you can do that. At the top right, you've got the file menu, and in there you can get back to the dashboard. You can create a new design from here. As I said before, you can save this design as a template. You can make a copy of this design, and if you want to speed up your design process, you can leverage these keyboard shortcuts. Version history is an excellent feature and it's a real lifesaver. You can get back to your previous version at any point of time and restore it. You don't need to save your versions every single time. All your changes are updated automatically. It is exclusively available for the paid users. Resize is another interesting feature if you are creating multiple graphics for different purposes. You can instantly transform one design into different resolutions. Let's say you want to transform this YouTube thumbnail into a Twitter post. I'll just type Twitter, select Twitter post and click to resize. In just a snap of a second, that YouTube thumbnail is transformed into this Twitter post. You can upgrade your plan to use this resize feature. The first element in the sidebar is the templates. As you can see, your brand templates are here. Of course, we have chosen our template, but if you change your mind and want to choose something else, you can do it in just a click. Let's move to the photos section. It is the stock photo library. There are more than 100 million stock photos which you may need for your design. To quickly find an image, use the search bar. As you can see, the diamond symbols on the images represent that these images are premium and elite. If you upgrade your plan to starter, you'll get 20 premium image credits per month. And if you upgrade it to pro, you'll get 50 premium image credits per month. Elite images are available in the pro plan for some applicable cost. You can also use the free images that Picmaker offers. Let me create a blank slide to show you how to work with images. Let's say you like this image, click on it, it will be added to the slide. You can set it as a background by clicking on this. You can also remove from the background. You can flip it through using this option. If you don't like this image, you can replace it with something else. Click on apply and you're done. You have all the arrangement and alignment options. Let's say you want to bring it to the center, click on center, and if you want to bring it to middle of the slide, click on middle. You can duplicate the image and delete it. If you want to keep this image untouched, you can lock it on the slide just like this. Once an image is selected, you'll notice an additional set of options appear at the top. You can crop the image and add different filters. You can tweak the brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, tint, and add blur and vignette effects. You can also play around with transparency. And here is the most important part. You've got advanced image effects. You can remove the background of an image in just a couple of clicks. Once you click next, our AI system will analyze the image and remove the background in just a snap of a second. Once you're done, click finish. This is how you can remove the background effortlessly. Stickerify is again an interesting feature. You can take any figure and convert it into a sticker. This feature is for the paid users. The tool adds stroke around the image. You can change the stroke size and color. Once you're done, click on Finish. It will be added to the image. With double exposure, you can take two different images and blend it into a single artistic image. Click on Add Image and choose whether you want to add the second image from the library or you want to upload it. Once you find an image, click on it and hit Apply. You can adjust the blend mode here. Play with saturation and fade to get the desired result. Once you're done, click on Apply. You can add different color tones to your image using Duotone. You can either do the custom adjustments or choose from our presets. And the last effect is Drop Shadow. You can change the angle, distance, opacity, and you can also blur the shadow. Click on Apply once you're done. Under Objects, your brand logos are here. Below that, you've got gradient shapes, shapes with text, and frames. You can take any of your image and fit it into the frame just like this. And you have more than 100k icons and illustrations that you can add in your design. You can either start from the text pre-builds or add your text from the scratch. Talking about text, you have all the text transformation options. Like you can change the font, change the size, play around with the colors, and with curved text, you can bend the text to give an artistic touch. And you have text effects such as shadow, lift, glitch, neon, and more. Picmaker offers a wide range of backgrounds. Some of our most popular background categories are here. Once you choose your background, just click on it. It will be added to the slide. You can upload your own graphics into Picmaker. As you can see, I've got some of the images that I uploaded. You can just click on it and it will be copied onto the slide. Matte is the coolest thing in Picmaker. It lets you create unique designs in just a few clicks. The magic starts with these 4 buttons on the right side. First one is the Matte All button. Once you click on it, our AI system will analyze the design in a fraction of a second and change the font, color, and the image. As you click on it repeatedly, it keeps on suggesting different designs related to a particular theme. The second button is for fonts. Unlike the Matte All button, it only changes the font. Next one is colors. You can click on it until you get the desired results. And then you've got images. This button changes the image in the design. The AI analyzes the overall design and fetches the relevant image for you. And the last button is Reset. In just a click, you can restore this template. You can get back to the original template at any point of time. Once you're done with the design, click on the Download button. You can either share it to the social media or download it in 3 different file types. Use our presentation mode to preview your design on full screen. With that, you can showcase your designs on virtual meetings. With Picmaker, it's a piece of cake to design like a pro. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you don't want to miss the upcoming tutorials. You can also check out our how-to videos in our tutorials page. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.